Hello everyone. Good day to everyone. I'm Priya Sitaraman. I'm a psychologist, counselor, psychotherapist, and a certified spiritual energy healer. I'm the founder of Inside Your Mind. Let's Talk with Priya. I run a YouTube channel by this name, and I also have my podcast studio. I conduct various workshops for different age groups, empowerment workshops for children, holistic wellness workshops, and meditation and breathing exercises. I employ the techniques of spirituality and psychology. So, spiritual psychology is my forte and my skill. So, to my clients, I uh, conduct this online sessions, online therapy sessions, and online counseling over audio or video during this pandemic season, since the lockdown has been going on. So I've been doing many online sessions, both over the phone call or video sessions. What we basically do is creating mental health awareness, also to bust many myths about depression. That's the main motto. I've been doing many mental health live sessions on different Facebook community groups. Um, I also run a campaign by the name I Speak Up. It's about breaking depression. What is I Speak Up? There are many myths about depression. People are still not aware about what are the symptoms, when one should seek help, professional help or support, or how to identify with self or with near and dear ones. So that's the campaign all about. I've been conducting this campaign movement, talking about the myths about depression and how we can identify and how we can reduce, if not completely cut down. That's the motto, that's the goal. Many people are losing their lives. They don't know how to handle, they don't know how to know when to seek support, and suicide is one of the symptoms of major depressive disorder. So one can reach me through my email, or which is given in the description box below. Or they can always reach out to me. I'll leave my number. There are upcoming workshops going on about emotional mastery workshop with Priya Sitaraman. And Inside Your Mind has also come up with a very, very new concept in India, the Holistic Wellness Club. Holistic Wellness Club is a facility. It's about your club membership. One can go in for either for a month or for 3 months package. It is about you're coming and availing all of these services, including psychotherapy, including your counseling or consulting or spiritual practices to invoke peace, inner peace and happiness, and meditation, breath work, and there are a lot of other services that this club is going to offer. That's the specialty USP of the Happy Me Club. That's the name of the club, which is opening up starting very soon on the 15th of August. If anyone is willing to get enrolled for themselves, please do reach out. Before I end, I would like to share some tips about how do you go about managing stress. Stress management is it's quite a common word these days. How does one get into stress? It could be with your daily mundane chores, or it could be your workplace related stress, or it could be anything. So that's the ultimate, the first step, if I have to put it, first step, that if you don't solve it, if it's an unresolved stress, then that leads to major depressive symptoms. On a day-to-day life, holistic wellness is going to be that's a balanced approach, that's a multitude combination approach. One has to really focus. What is holistic wellness? As I said, it's a balanced approach. What we feed to the body, what we feed to the mind, we'll have to pay more attention to it. It is about dealing with your own emotions, understanding your emotions, self-awareness. These are the main important things about going forward, how one can deal with their stress. A very good quality of sleep, a well balanced diet, nutritious diet, and how well you understand your emotions. That's the basis of getting into managing stress or anxiety or anger, fear, worry, phobias. So all of these are a very major bothering symptoms. No matter what, you're in either you're in lockdown or it could be anything. So I think that's about it. You can reach me on the given number for any kind of counseling, psychological counseling, or your emotional intelligence. I specialize in emotional intelligence, emotional well-being, and psychological well-being for a very, very peaceful and a happy life. Thank you so much.